Now Mark's going to install the TV cable, throttle valve cable. The 700R4 transmission that we're installing here, the gear choice is made in large part on where your throttle is placed. This isn't just a kick-down cable like in the old days when you wanted to mash on the throttle, it pulled a cable to downshift you a gear. It goes on that nub there, and the transmission is always sensing where your foot is. It's always sensing where the throttle is with this TV cable. So you have to install this. Do not be tempted to skip it. In the old days, a lot of people would just skip the downshift cable, the detent cable on the Turbo 400s or Turbo 350s, but the 700R4 requires this TV cable. And now Mark is working it a little bit to make sure that it isn't hung up on anything. It's a tricky one to install, your first one, but it's a pretty good system. And everything's all lined up, so he's going to go ahead and tighten it down a little bit.